Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Marlene and you are on my Chic Purse channel. If you like luxury handbags and travel, I'm inviting you to join my YouTube family and follow me on Instagram at my Chic Purse. This just came today and I ordered it only yesterday morning. How cool is that? And look at the details of the box. So artsy, isn't it? There she is! My first Hermes piece. I got myself a Twilly for my Pochette Metis. I chose this design because of the Eiffel Tower. Look at that. Isn't she pretty? There's the Arc de Triomphe. I love this. There's Cupid, and below that, a couple where the boyfriend is proposing to the girlfriend. How cool is that? Declaration of love in Paris. And this is the name of the design. And this is the color name, which by the way has 5 colors to choose from. And this is made in France. Isn't Italy more known for its silk? I would have wanted it to be made in Italy, but that's okay. Just a quick info on the pandemic here in Europe. We are on the second wave of the pandemic, not only here in Germany but the entire Europe. So curfew and travel restrictions are in place again. And the highest spike is in France, Germany, and Spain. So wear masks, wash hands, and stay safe. So let's start the wrapping. Please bear with me as this is the first time I'm doing this. I'm gonna take the center of the Twilly, put it on the center of the top handle, and this is where I will start to wrap this side to one end and do the same on the other side. By the way, that's my husband on the background playing the guitar and singing. He loves singing. I like this style. It covers all the vachetta including the ends. Or, if you want the ends of the Twilly hanging like that in the front, I would say lessen the number of wrapping to 3 times on both ends from the center. I did 4 on the other style. Which one do you prefer? This or this? Let's try this on my Coach Cassie bag. Oh wow! Now the color of the Twilly pops out on black. I'm really loving this pop of color on black. Really nice. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell icon so you would be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Remember to stay safe. Bye!